Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to reduce PayPal fees by using QR code payments. If you accept payments in person, PayPal QR code payments can be a cost-effective alternative to standard online checkout. In many regions, eligible QR code payments may have lower transaction fees than standard online PayPal payments. They are also quick to set up, don't require a card reader, and allow customers to pay by simply scanning your QR code with the PayPal app. Fee rates and availability may vary depending on your country and account type. Now let's get started. First, open the PayPal Business app or sign into your PayPal Business account. Now go to the QR code or Get Paid with QR Code section. Then generate your business QR code. Here you can download or save the QR code. Next, print the QR code or display it on your phone, tablet, or checkout counter. Now ask your customer to open the PayPal app, then have them scan your QR code. After that, they'll enter the payment amount if needed or confirm the amount you've already entered. Now the customer reviews the payment details. Then they confirm the payment. After that, the money is sent directly to your PayPal account. Now check your PayPal account to confirm that you've received the payment. If you regularly accept in-person payments, encourage customers to use your QR code instead of sending online invoices whenever appropriate, as eligible QR code transactions may help reduce your payment processing costs. Keep in mind that transaction fees, supported countries, and QR code features may vary depending on your PayPal business account and local PayPal policies. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.